and welcome to another exciting video. In the previous one, we saw how to create or clone a project using Degit. In this one, we'll be learning what Vite is and how we can make use of Vite to create a React project. Now, let's understand what is Vite first, and then we'll move on to how we can make use of it. Now, Vite is a modern build tool designed for front-end development. It's created by Ivan Yu, the mind behind Vue.js. Unlike traditional bundlers, Vite leverages native ES module support in browsers to offer an exceptionally fast development experience. Now the question comes why we should be making use of Vite. The first one is speed and efficiency. It has this instant start. So Vite boasts an almost instantaneous development server start. This eliminates the frustrating delays during development, providing a smoother and more efficient workflow. It has this fast HMR or hot module replacement. Now, Vite's development server supports HMR, enabling real-time updates without a full page reload. This significantly speeds up the development cycle. It's optimized for frameworks including React. While initially Vite was tailored for Vue.js, Vite has now expanded its support to other frameworks including React. It understands the intricacies of React projects, optimizing the development and build processes for a seamless experience. It provides configurability and extensibility. So it has this plugin system which allows developers to extend and customize the build process according to project requirements. This flexibility is particularly valuable when working with complex React applications that might have unique build needs. It also has native ES module support. Leveraging modern JavaScript, Vite taps into native ES module support in browsers, facilitating the use of modern JavaScript features. This ensures that your React code base can take full advantage of the latest language capabilities. It has this ecosystem integration support. It has this vast plugin ecosystem. It benefits from a growing ecosystem of plugins, making it adaptable to various project requirements. Whether you need to integrate a specific tool or optimize for a particular environment, chances are there's a Vite plugin for it. It also enhances the overall developer experience. Simplified configuration aims to minimize configuration overhead. Default setup is sensible for most projects, and configuration options are well documented. This leads to a more enjoyable and productive developer experience. Now let's see how Vite enhances React.js development. First being rapid development feedback. Vite's fast development server and HMR support provide instant feedback during React application development. Changes are reflected almost immediately, streamlining the debugging and testing process. It also optimizes production builds. Vite optimizes React applications for production, ensuring that the final build is as lean and performant as possible. This is crucial for delivering fast loading web applications to end users. Tailored React project setup. When initializing a new React project with Vite, the configuration is specifically tailored for React, saving developers from unnecessary setup and ensuring compatibility with React best practices. It also has developer-friendly tooling. Vite integrates seamlessly with popular development tools, offering a cohesive environment for React developers. This includes support for TypeScript, JSX, and other React-centric features out of the box. Now, in order to make use of Vite, you can make use of npx command. So you need to have Node.js installed on your machine, and then you just run this command npx create -vite and name of your application like my React app, and you have to specify the template because Vite was initially intended for Vue.js. So when you specify this template flag, it will be creating a React project using Vite. You can also visit vitejs.dev website to learn more about Vite. It has got a good documentation, as you can see over here, and it also tells you what exactly Vite is all about. Now, let's head over to our Visual Studio code editor, and over here, as you can see, I'm inside my React app folder. Here, I'll be creating a new React application using Vite. So here, I've typed this command npx create Vite, my React app. Then we have this template, which is saying that the project that we want to create should be a React based project. Now, one thing, if you have not installed the Vite package, this command is going to do that on your behalf. So let's go ahead and press enter now. And there you go. As you can see, it has created this my React app directory. And now it's suggesting you to do the following. Go inside this directory, then run npm install, and then run the command npm run dev. So let's do that. So here I'll be typing the command, my React app, and we'll be going inside that directory. Now let's go ahead and run npm install so that it installs all the dependencies that it needs to. And finally, we'll be launching the application using npm run dev command. So now we can go ahead and run this command, npm run dev, and this is going to give you this kind of information like Vite version that has been installed and the local URL where this can be accessed. So you just need to hover on this and then click on this follow link, or you can press alt click to access this website. Here you have a simple React application which has this count button. Keep on clicking this and it will just keep on incrementing the count value. Here, if you'll open the project that was created using Vite, you'll find this configuration file vite.config.js. And if you're using TypeScript, the extension will read tsx. Now, here you can see that we have the config defined, and this has got this collection plugin as React, and pretty much everything else that you see over here in the src directory is the standard React application. So we have src, we have public directory, we have the node modules over here, and then the index.html file, which points to this main.jsx inside the src directory. And here you have the React application running in a strict mode. And here we have the readme.md file. So as you can see, it says this template provides a minimal setup to get React working in Vite with HMR and some ESLint rules.